tip for traveling to Palawan is to be as relaxed and easygoing as possible.
Palawan, Philippines. We're just leaving Kayangan Lake, a very beautiful place. The benefits of getting your own private boat are that one, you can be on your own timeline. You can just relax and not be in a hurry. Sometimes when you're socializing with other people and you're getting to know other people, you can't look around. If you are in a group tour, it's cheaper, but you know, you never know what you're gonna get. All your stuff gets all mixed in together. The other benefit is that if you're somebody that has a physical issue, like if you have health problems, if you have bad knees, if you're elderly, not to say that if you're in a group they won't take care of you, but at least you will be the main focus. They'll carry all your stuff for you, and then you don't have to worry about that as you're hiking up to some of the places that you're going to. So they can really focus on you and show you personally what you want to see. Plus, you can choose your own music, or if you want quiet, you can be quiet. So that you don't, yeah, you can enjoy your vacation and get it tailored to what your needs are, and it's not for not that much money. You can have that done. And what's the other benefits? Yeah, they can watch your stuff for you, carry all your like camera and like other things that you're valuable. So they just have you to focus on. So yeah, those are the benefits of having your own private boat. Definitely highly recommend. And now we're gonna go snorkeling. We'll show you guys those shots. Also, another good reason to get a private boat is that, like I said, if you want some peace, Matt and I went here, just the two of us, just to get some alone time, peaceful time, without too much stimulation. Sometimes with kids it can get a little crazy. Kids are always getting hungry, bored, complaining about lack of internet, complaining about lack of satisfaction, and it's like almost like our job to like make sure they're entertained, and you can't focus on, you're so focused on taking care of your kids that you don't get to enjoy or take in all these scenes. This is so beautiful and so amazing, and it's really nice just to have like not a lot of stimulation. When you're with a big group of people, it's fun, but it's a lot of stimulation. It can be nice to just focus on the views, video, your husband, yourself. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on that notification button so you know exactly when my new video is released, and I'll see you guys in the next one.